Did you know that the 10 stains every household considers permanent or nearly impossible to remove without expensive specialized products can all be eliminated using natural ingredients you already own? And did you know that understanding the specific chemistry of each stain type is what makes the difference between frustrating failure and complete removal? What if I gave you the exact natural treatment for each stain, tested and proven, that addresses the chemistry causing each stain, rather than just throwing generic cleaner at it and hoping? I've tested every method documented here on real stains in real situations. Stay with me, because this is the complete stain removal guide you've always needed. Why stain removal fails. Most stain removal attempts fail for one fundamental reason. People treat all stains identically, regardless of their completely different chemical compositions. A protein-based stain like blood requires completely different chemistry than an oil-based stain like grease, which requires different treatment than a tannin-based stain like wine or coffee. Stain number 1. Blood. Chemistry, protein-based, coagulates irreversibly with heat. Critical rule: always use cold water, never hot. Hot water permanently sets blood stains by cooking the proteins into fabric fibers. Natural treatment: pour hydrogen peroxide directly onto fresh blood. It will fizz as it breaks down blood proteins through oxidation. Blot, never rub. Rinse with cold water. For dried blood, soak in cold salt water for 30 minutes to loosen the set proteins before hydrogen peroxide treatment. Works on fabric, carpet, and mattresses consistently. Stain number 2. Red wine. Chemistry: tannin and anthocyanin pigments that bond to fabric fibers rapidly. Speed is critical here. Natural treatment: immediately pour sparkling water or club soda over fresh wine to dilute and lift the stain before it bonds. Sprinkle generously with salt to absorb remaining liquid. After absorption, apply hydrogen peroxide mixed with a drop of dish soap, wait 10 minutes, blot clean. For set wine stains, white wine or diluted white vinegar helps lift residual tannins before the peroxide treatment. Stain number 3. Coffee and tea. Chemistry: tannin-based stains with oils from brewing. Natural treatment: blot immediately without rubbing. Then pour cold water through the stain from the reverse side of the fabric, pushing the stain out rather than deeper in. Apply diluted white vinegar, which dissolves tannins effectively. Wait 5 minutes, then treat with dish soap solution for any remaining oil component. Stain number 4. Grease and cooking oil. Chemistry: non-polar organic compounds requiring surfactant emulsification. Natural treatment: cover fresh grease stains immediately with cornstarch or baby powder, allowing it to absorb oil from fabric rather than spreading it. Leave 15 to 20 minutes, then brush away. Apply dish soap directly to the treated area without adding water first, working it into the fiber with a soft brush. The concentrated surfactant surrounds oil molecules for removal. Then wash normally. Stain number 5. Grass. Chemistry, chlorophyll, and plant proteins combined. Natural treatment: rubbing alcohol applied to grass stains first dissolves the chlorophyll component effectively. Stain number 6. Ink. Chemistry varies dramatically by ink type. For ballpoint ink, rubbing alcohol dissolves the oil-based ink carrier effectively. Apply with cotton ball, blot without rubbing, repeat with fresh alcohol-dampened cotton until no more ink transfers. For water-based ink, cold water flushing immediately followed by dish soap treatment works well. For permanent marker, apply hand sanitizer with a high alcohol content. Stain number 7. Turmeric. Chemistry: curcumin pigment that oxidizes and bonds aggressively to fibers. This is one of the most challenging natural stains. Treatment: immediate cold water flushing. Then apply dish soap and leave in direct sunlight for several hours. The combination of dish soap chemistry and ultraviolet oxidation from sunlight breaks down curcumin bonds more effectively than any other natural method I've tested. Stain number 8. Rust. Chemistry: iron oxide deposits that embed in fabric or surface pores. Natural treatment: lemon juice applied directly and left for 15 to 30 minutes. The citric acid chelates iron ions, chemically extracting them from the material. Stain number 9. Sweat and deodorant buildup. Chemistry: protein from sweat combined with aluminum compounds from antiperspirant. Natural treatment: white vinegar applied to sweat stains and left 30 minutes dissolves both protein and aluminum compounds. Stain number 10. Mold and mildew. Chemistry: fungal growth producing melanin-based pigmentation. Natural treatment: hydrogen peroxide applied undiluted to moldy areas, left for minimum 10 minutes. The oxidizing action kills mold organisms and breaks down melanin pigments simultaneously. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for more chemistry-based natural cleaning solutions. Share with anyone fighting impossible stains. Comment your toughest stain challenge. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, match your chemistry to your stain, act quickly, and remove what seemed permanently impossible.